We talked about security a lot, both Karim and I, but I'm not sure that it is well known in terms of the features that are available and the services that are available in Azure to help you to secure those workloads. So I'm going to spend some time talking about that. So I touched on the Azure Defender for Cloud, um, um, services that are available. So there's Defender for containers, there's Defender for IoT, there's Defender for SQL. So as much as you can think of workloads that you want to run in the cloud, there are security products there that are optimized for that particular type of workload, and which is very important because you know not every security product works well for every single scenario. If you have something that's optimized for what you are doing, then there are going to be added areas where you can get efficiency and then also added opportunities to secure that particular type of work. So that is really important.